Kani kecing alang jong kekenhun menteri kala airu kecing mencur ya kecing terwa nak ketenat political kejala ban pen kio kerdan no ya ke Marang Civil Subdivision ya ke district Kabapura ya ke ban setip kum ke Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Usimbut menteri rang ba kejala upentim ba ke sorkar jala kan salit play ya kani ke district Thamai ha ke sipau tarik unai wing bat kan supuli ru ya kecing penbena ha ke bayadai bat uput usam kecing don kinong song shenong kecing he jong ke jaka jong kani ke district bat kiwei.
We have decided from the cabinet today that upgradation of Mairang Civil Subdivision to a full-fledged district is approved, and I would like to tell you that the inauguration of the new district will be on the 10th November 2021, and the name of the newly created district is Eastern West Khasi Hills. Eastern West Khasi Hills.